Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for my new Mychanic LED pod light. Just got it in the mail and I'm pretty excited about it. It's about as excited as you're going to get for a LED light. And I was not paid to do this review or anything like that. And they didn't send this to me. I paid for this out of my own pocket, obviously. So we'll go ahead here and check it out. Oh, we got a sticker here. That's pretty cool. Nice sticker. And a little drink cozy thing for your beer. 10% off your next order. That's pretty nice. And here's the pod light, multi-directional LED. So I'll go ahead here and take a look at it. Do I need any batteries? I don't know if it comes with batteries. 3 AA included with light. That's pretty cool. I was prepared to run upstairs here and get some batteries. It says base attaches to any magnetic surface, blah blah blah, 360-degree rotation, 250 lumens. So let's go ahead here and open this up. I'm excited about this. Gotta love the packaging, you can't get into it. They say a lot of this stuff's kid proof, and you guys know me, I'm still a kid, and that's probably why I can't get into the darn thing. Alright. Remove protective battery tab before operation. So we got to find where that is. Is that... and unscrew it, I guess. So here you want to pull this tab here out, I'd assume, if I can get it out. Ah, there we go. So what I'm going to do here is I'll turn the lights off and we'll check this out. We'll see how bright this is. Okay, so there you have six LEDs, and then there's 7 when you push it one more time. You have 7 LEDs. So there's 6. And then there's 7, gives more of a spotlight effect in the middle there, you can kind of see. So there's 6, 7 with the one in the center lit. I'm not sure why that's just not on all the time, but maybe if you want, don't want it so bright in your face, like if you're working underneath of the hood of a car. So this should be pretty nice. Not sure how strong the magnet is. That doesn't seem real strong. Kind of be curious. It's hardly picking up my knife there, but so maybe I'll try it out underneath the hood of the car. Let's see. All right, I came out here to the garage and wanted to see how strong this was. The magnet didn't feel very strong in the house, but it's definitely enough to stay. This seems kind of weak holding that up. I think if you bumped into it, it's gonna come off easily, I would think. But I guess they did it that way so you can rotate it without any kind of effort. But I tell you what, it's pretty bright. I have really decent lights out here in the garage, but this would have came in handy Saturday when I changed the spark plugs in the old Volvo. That would have been great to have. So there you go. Very cool. So that's with the center beam, and then here's without the center beam. But boy, that would have really came in handy Saturday. I wish I would have got this in the mail. So I definitely give this a thumbs up. This is pretty cool. Because I have some other lights here, and I'd still like to get one of the real long Harbor Freight LED lights. Those are really nice too. But I thought for 20 bucks, I'll give this a shot. And I like how you can focus it in one area, because sometimes I don't like being blinded while I'm trying to work. It's really annoying. And that's the problem I have with my one Baco light. I think it's Baco's who makes it. It's a great light, but it ends up blinding you sometimes. All right, so there you go. Thanks for checking this out. If you like this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell for other video notifications. And I will see you guys later. All right, have a good night now. All right, bye now.